Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a proof. Limit x approaches to 0, sin x divided by x equal 1. Now we consider a unit circle with center O. Now here first we draw a circle with center O. Now we let A and B be any point on circle. Now here I show you point A and B on circle, and we draw a radius from O to A and O to B. The angle of this sector AOB is x radian. So we write here, let angle between AOB is equal x radian. Where this angle x radian lies between 0 to pi by 2. Now in next, draw a tangent line at point A, which meets OB, produced at C. Now here we extend radius OB and we draw a tangent line at point A, which meets OB at point C. This is point C. Now we join point A to point B. Now here this is a line AB. As we know that this is unit circle, so radius OA equal OB will be 1. So we have radius 1. So first I will say it A. We are going to find area of triangle AOB. Here you can see area of triangle AOB. So formula of area of triangle AOB is 1 by 2 AB sine theta, or you may say that 1 by 2 product of adjacent side into sine theta, where A is OA radius and B is OB radius. Sine theta and theta is x radian. So we have radius equal 1 unit, so OA and OB will be 1, so we will get area of triangle AOB equal 1 by 2 sine x, which is equation A. Now in next, which is second B, we are going to find area of sector AOB, which is equal to 1 by 2 r square theta. This is formula of area of sector in radian form. Here you can see this is area of sector AOB. So 1 by 2 r radius is OA. You may take OB whole square into x equal, and radius OA is 1, so we get 1 by 2 x, which is area of sector. We call it equation B. Now in third, part C, we find area of triangle OAC, which is equal to, here we are going to use area of triangle formula 1 by 2 base into height, 1 by 2 base into height, instead of using 1 by 2 product of adjacent sides into sine theta, because triangle OAC is right triangle. Here you can see triangle OAC, where OA is base and AC is height. Here we required value of AC, so to find the value of AC we use the formula tangent theta perpendicular base, or you can say tangent theta opposite our adjacent. So theta is x and P perpendicular is AC and base is OA. So AC is as it is and OA, which is radius, 1. So we have value of AC tangent x. So we are going to substitute this value of AC in formula. Here 1 by 2 base is OA and height is AC. So OA, which is radius, equal 1, and AC we have already tangent x. So finally we have area of triangle OAC equal 1 by 2 tangent x. We denote it equation C. For the proof, if we observe from diagram, you will see this is area of triangle AOB, which is less than area of sector AOB, and this is area of triangle AOC, which is greater than both area of triangle AOB and area of sector AOB. So we write an inequality: area of triangle AOB is less than area of sector AOB, and it is less than area of triangle OAC. Now here we put all of these areas. This is area of triangle AOB, which is 1 by 2 sine x, 1 by 2 sine x less than, and this is area of sector AOB, 1 by 2x. So area of sector AOB 1 by 2x less than, and this is area of triangle OAC. So area of triangle OAC 1 by 2 tangent x. By eliminating 1 by 2, we get sine x less than tangent x, and in next sine x less than x and less than sine x divided by cos x, because as you know tangent x is equal to sine x by cos x. If we divide whole inequality by sine x, we get 1 less than x by sine x less than 1 by cos x. Now here we are going to use property of an inequality. If a is less than b, then 1 by a will be greater than 1 by b. So it means our inequality become 1 greater than sine x by x greater than cos x. In next page we write this inequality again. 1 greater than sine x by x greater than cos x. If x approaches to 0, as x approaches to 0, we get cos x approaches to 1. Now here we will take the help of squeeze theorem, or you may say sandwich theorem. Finally our inequality will become 1 greater than sine x by x greater than 1. So therefore the sine x by x approaches to 1. Because of squeeze or sandwich theorem, you may see limit x approaches to 0, sine x divided by x equal 1. Finally we proved our theorem. Thanks for watching video. Bye.